Nagpalang umaga sa inyong lahat. For the Heartmate Group in Manila, I'm Cecil Ladra.
And I'm Faye Angel.
We're going to prepare menudo with heart. So we're going to start cutting the puso ng saging. Maglalagay tayo ng kaunting oil. Gamit po namin cookware na Nutra-Is ay yung 12 inches gourmet. Pag nilagay po natin yung kamatis, kailangan nating lutuin mabuti para ma-extract yung pinaka-sauce niya. Instead of tomato sauce, we're using the pressed tomato. So that it's much more healthy than tomato sauce. Pwede naman kung mahal ang kamatis, tomato sauce, pero definitely mas maganda kung pressed tomato ang gagamitin. Papupulahin po natin. Then, we're going to put the small amount of salt to taste and later the black pepper. Galagay ko na po yung puso ng saging. Nasaba. Mas maganda po kung gagamitin natin ay puso ng saging na saba. Kasi colorful, white ang color niya pag naluto. Dahil maglalagay tayo ng small amount of water para lumambot yung ating puso ng saging.
Siyang kutsero.